I like cheese. I had to drive to the other side of town just to get a box of spinach because for some reason, everybody decided to panic buy all the spinach. Why? Welcome back. We are now in week 2 of quarantine land. And once again, I went to the store with zero intentions of buying anything. So I showed up and all the meat was gone as usual, except for some hot Italian sausage. So I thought, let's see what I can find using just this as the base ingredient. And so we now have creamy tortellini sausage stew, as this is called. It sounds really good. I'm excited to try this. And luckily, there was just enough of all the other ingredients, minus the spinach that I had to get from another store, that I was able to pick up everything for this. So, no vegetables cut up this time, so I'm just gonna jump right into it and start by cooking up our sausage because we need to make sure that is crumbled up before we throw it all together. So, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'll just move my way over here and just done. Okay, bye. Movie's over. In all actuality, there's nothing really special going on here. I think I'll just turn this on like medium high. I don't know. Really? So our next step once this is done is that we need to drain the oil out, so that's what I'm doing now. While that's draining, the only other thing I have to do is cut up our block of cheese into little squares. You don't have to do this, but it makes it melt easier, so I'm going to go ahead and it's not working. This is why I normally don't do this, because it's annoying. There. Now that's everything. Right, now that everything's ready, we will just throw it all together in the order that the recipe wants us to. So we'll start with our sausage. I can get it all. So the thing about the sausage is when we're cooking it, we're supposed to put the salt and pepper in, but when I drain the oil out, all the seasonings will just kind of fall out with the oil, so I waited until now. Just kind of add in however much. And now, we just dump all the other stuff in. So it says Italian style. Sometimes they don't actually label it as Italian style. This is if I can even speak. Basil, garlic, and oregano, which is basically Italian style. As always, we're adding some green chilies too, because why not? It wants garlic salt, but I'm putting in regular garlic because it's better. I'm also doubling the ingredients just like I normally do. What am I forgetting? Oh. We'll put in our cream cheese cubes. Kind of spread them evenly. That's pretty much all you're doing. What am I forgetting? All right, we're throwing our pasta and our spinach, and we are ready to roll. How do you open this? My hands, they don't work. Make sure you spread those evenly. Same with the spinach. It says 2 cups. I don't really know how to measure 2 cups of spinach, but this is a 5-ounce box, which seems like a reasonable volume, so I'll just kind of, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, so now we just cook it for about 3 to 4 hours on low, and we should be good. So I will see you in like 4 hours. Whoosh! Congratulations, you have survived another week of the apocalypse. Let's see how we did. Wow, it's a bunch of leaves. Who would have thought? Well, at this point, we just need to stir it and then it is ready to serve. So let's do that now. Ah! And all done once again. Let's see how we did. I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of like pasta lasagna, I guess. It's similar. It looks similar. I don't know. But it smells really good. I'm excited to try it. So, thanks for watching.